This is Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mbabane Swallows, North, Mamelodi Sundowns. So, my brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Bon, my brother, bon, got time now.
Yeah.
Sundowns is gonna play winning.
Yeah.
Ongisha Braga. Bon, so no to Ongisha. Adora in Braga.
Yeah.
Renaro Masandon Ongisha Braga.
Yeah.
We're gonna play winning.
Shita.
Chaka. Ahwana. Shita.
Thank you so much.
Advantage.
Brother, how do you feel about the game namhlanje?
Braga game makajulune abara Sundowns number 100%. Again not doubt Braga. Obviously territory winning gare na nakanja not all it's very quality players.
Yeah.
100%.
Kemang how impressing Pandak?
Pandaka Braga ne. Asha today Braga wala ne to bona abona barik madiman. Dimano number 11.
Yeah. Alan.
Yeah,
Dimano mirime
ya Diman. Dimano kina butata Braga.
Ay
Kenja. General.
Yeah.
Dimano always important. Dimano on the quality pass. 100%.
Championship.
And auto general.
No, that's good. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you.
When Chaka, how do you feel about the game tonight?
I'm very much excited, Baba. Ngijabulele kakhulu game namuhla. Do singene late inyana besingekho. But through the second half sibonile game bemnandi, and then this is a message man to all the teams laba abasebenzisitshela ukuthi no iSundowns yawa abathatha kancane ukuthi no siphethe amachita ukompela no bathu banu ba for coach head coach Manqoba Fohloza sithi bafowethu sicela nihlangane nibambane nibe into eyi-1 kungabe ukuthi le game namhlanje ni senzoba excited kakhulu asifuna ukuprove ipoint but iSundowns it deserve istandard sayo the high class of the standards iSundowns lesijwayele ngayo and ikona continue supporting Sundowns as long as isaqhubeka nasijabulisa as much as isasipha the best result that's what deserve sihamba nayo bona been two ama games amaningi Sundowns but if as for iPirate ngisayikwatele kancane mara ngithi siyeza siyabuya and
Kodwa Stellenbosch.
No, iPirate nje emagemini amaningi enke ngababo special kuma finals. Yeah, zange ngiphathe kahle. But ngiyafisa ukuthi mangenzeka sibuye from kwiCAF last ibana khona naye eyamaqhubu ilibambe lingashoni.
Ibambe lingashoni. So ukhuluma enye point yama supporters ne how do you feel about the supporters abangafuni ucoach wenu abamcriticizeayo? Yini message yakho abanikeza yona as ama supporters eSundowns obathandayo oyifellow supporter yabo nabo, like how do you feel about that situation in terms of like behavior yabo and the message obanikeza yona lapho ukuthi bayenze ukusupport i-team ne-coach despite ukuthi ama-results
yeah no ipoint engicabanga ukuthi is very important kakhulu as for aba-supporters eSundowns thina as much as namhlanje ngicela ukwenza example nge-player A1 uShalulile was not in the game today so abaningi bambonile but I'm so happy ukuthi bamnikezele i-chance wazwaqeda i-game so into engifisa ukuthi nabo lama coach wethu as much as nathi singakabi happy ngabo let's give them the chance basiprove kithi maybe 5-6 game down the line sizobona ukuthi kwenzakalani that's when we gonna say mhlambe ezinye izinto kwamanje mina according to mina basazifundisa i-team
kancane
and then khona manje le strategy besisebenzisa if ungabheka sithe ukushintsha kancane so sesibona ukuthi mhlambe nawo beza na something different bengizothi mina ama supporters wonke singamapelo Sundowns let's give them the chance to prove themselves. Themba ukuthi yonke into izohamba kahle.
No, nice one. Thank you very much, my brother. All the best with second round. All the best futhi nakwithwane derby.
Siyabonga. Hayi, sobe sikhona lana ama super sport Loftus I'm sorry sobe sisonke I think it's a Pretoria derby.
Yeah.
Thwane derby.
Hey, ama customer benu la sezibashaya. Ngibaxolele at least
kodwa mabafika naye Lucas Moripe basibhayizisa kodwa le asiyazi ukuthi vele sinkwase emihla ngemihla.
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu, all the best
Ubonga mina
thank you my brother.
We love you Masandawana, we love you.
Kawuyelo. La.